Welcome students to the next video lecture, that is human relations. Actually the title itself suggests that human relations, but we are going to cover the point that is mutuality, trust and developing emotional bonding. Okay, and this is developed when you show empathy towards the people who are got in the trouble. Okay, so human relations it is not a technical thing. Okay, it is related to your personality, it is related to your psychology, psyche, feelings. Okay, so you are going to develop that human relations with the help of trust and mutuality. Okay, whenever you will show empathy or sympathy towards the people, throughout that process you are going to develop your human relations, and it is not easy thing, because you will believe someone hmm, who always gives good performance, or someone will believe you when you give good performance, and throughout this process you are going to develop good relations, or that is human relations. So what to do here? For developing mutuality, trust, integrity and human relations, you should contribute to your success. Okay, you should contribute to your success, failure, happiness, sorrow, living a remorseless life and committing suicide. Okay, see, you are not, don't get here misunderstanding the last two words, living a remorseless life and committing suicide. You should contribute to your success, and how it is possible? When you develop your good relations. Again, when you got a failure anyhow, again you are going to share those things with your people. In that time those people will guide you, and in this way again you are going to develop your human relations. Again, if you share your happiness, sorrow, you are going to develop human relations. Okay, so at last it is said that you should live, you should avoid remorseless life and committing suicide. Okay, and if you do that, it means that you didn't have good human relations. Okay, so next thing is given here, that is golden rule, that is treat others as how you wanted to be treated by others. Okay, imagine that you expect from others that you should be treated properly by other people, and why don't you do that things with other people? Means you can also treat others people in the way you were being treated by them. Okay, it means that you should treat others in proper manner as you were being treated by others. Okay, so do not bring power struggles in relationships. And what is that power? Power here, it doesn't mean that political power or muscle power. Okay, power, the definition is given here, it is the ability to do good things. Okay, means whatever you will do good things, it will reflect into good outcomes. Okay, and this definition is given by John Aston. So how will you build the trust? Here relations, examples of human relations are given: man woman, husband wife, parents children, teacher students, manager workers, etc. Okay, and these things we develop naturally. Hmm? And naturally we are going to build the trust. Okay, so maintain integrity. Then how we can maintain integrity? So she see here, moral soundness in terms of character and principles. Okay, you should have that moral soundness, you should have that good character, you should have such principles that you are following. And next thing is mentioned here, never preach something that you don't follow. Means you have no right to preach other person, you have no right to preach good values to other persons that you don't follow. Okay, so others will blame you, others will criticize you, and here you are going to blame your personality, and you are responsible for that. In short, never preach something that you don't follow. So next thing is sustain trust and integrity. How it is sustained? See here, it is not difficult but impossible, but not impossible. It is neither difficult nor impossible to sustain trust and integrity. So how we can? So see, it is given here, never break the trust of someone built for years. Okay, it is not a easy thing to build up a trust, or do you think that? No. Okay, so if you have developed that trust, to break that trust it is not possible, or it is not a easy thing. that someone built for years. So building the trust will take several years. Again, do not let someone down in impulsive moments, and circumstances doesn't make you but reveals you. Some conditions, circumstances, or incidents happening with you, and those things will reveal your personality, how you are, in what we have faced the situations, and in what way you become a good student or good person or good ideal citizen in your society. Okay, so circumstances reveal you. So if you decide to betray someone or to give an unfair treatment, ask yourself whether that person would do the same to you in the given circumstances. If someone will betray you, then how will you feel? Likewise, you should not betray others. That moral is given here. People can forget things, but they can never forgive the wrongdoings. It is all. This thing happens naturally. They sometimes they forget the things what was happening with them, but they never forgive the wrongdoings. Okay. So in life there is no quick fix because human relations are wrought with emotions. There is no rewind, fast forward like a tape recorder. That's why learn to live in the present. Okay. So this is very much useful for us to develop our personality or develop our trust and integrity. It's a good message given here in this resource material. Again, treating others, how it is, how we can treat others. Here, story is given that of father and son. Means son was demanding a car from his father. Father also promised him to bring him a car, but on one condition. If you that condition was if his son scores good marks or distinction in that car, then anyhow it was not possible to bring that car. But in another way, he appeals him that his expectations are not genuine right now, and that son also agreed on his statement. So this is the story given here. You may listen this story in the NPTEL video regarding this lecture material. So last thing, which is poem given here, and you will get the instinct, you will get the core element about how to develop trust, integrity and emotional bonding. This poem is very meaningful. See here, you start dying slowly if you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself. You start dying slowly when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you. You start dying slowly if you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know. Again, you start dying slowly if you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast. You start dying slowly if you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. This poem is composed by Pablo Neruda. I think you might have got some information, little bit information regarding your trust and emotional bonding. So thank you so much. Let us stop here.